channel. It's Arlene. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're all doing well. Well, the reason for this video is because I've been going crazy looking for hand sanitizer or anything to sanitize hands, wipes, anything, and there's nothing to be found. So all the 24-hour pharmacies that were open, that are open 24 hours, I know a lot of the Rite Aids, they get their shipments in on Thursday. So the trucks usually come in like 1, 2 in the morning, and by 3, 4 o'clock, most of it's packed out. So I got up at 3:30 this morning. By 4:30, I was over at the Rite Aid over here in Copeg where I live, and nothing's packed out yet. Oh, come back at 8, 9 o'clock. I said, well, can you please tell me? That's all I'm looking for is rubbing alcohol to make my own hand sanitizer. Nope, couldn't get any hand sanitizer. We don't have none of that. We couldn't even order it. It's on back order for like 3 weeks. I go to another Rite Aid, same thing. I go to CVS, the same thing. I go to 2 Stop and Shops, the same thing. Needless to say, I got home, it was 10 after 8. So I was gone all that time, running all over different towns, looking for, even like 7-Elevens, gas stations that sell a lot of stuff. Couldn't find no hand sanitizer, no rubbing alcohol. So then I came home, I did a little bit more research online. And I used to make homemade soaps and creams and scrubs and all that. So I said, come hell or high water, I am making my own sanitizer today. So I did go back to Rite Aid, and most of the stuff was packed out. And I found that they had this after sun gel with aloe, but you can get any aloe vera gel. So you only allowed to get 4, so of course I got 4. There was one store that I went in and they only had one of these bottles left. I think this was CVS. Sunburn Relief Gel. So as long as it's a gel, it doesn't matter. Then from when I used to make my bath bombs and everything, I have some glycerin left. This I purchased at Wholesale Supplies Plus. So I have quite a bit of glycerin left. And then, of course, from doing soaps and scrubs and all that, I have tons of essential oils. These are all 100% essential oils. I have here lemongrass. I have here sweet orange, peppermint, geranium, and gingergrass. So I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet. And then the last thing I needed was vodka. So this is actually grain alcohol. I wouldn't suggest drinking it. I think when I was down in Georgia, I did a shot of moonshine and it literally burnt my throat. So I think that's what this is like. But this is 192 proof, which is 90% alcohol by volume. So it's 96%. Now, if you were to get rubbing alcohol, 91% rubbing alcohol is 91% alcohol by volume. Now, if you can find 151 alcohol, grain alcohol, that's actually 75.5% alcohol by volume. So what you need is any alcohol that has over 60% alcohol by volume. So it's not the proof, it's the alcohol content by volume. Has to be over 60% to kill bacteria and viruses. That is as per the CDC. So if you're buying regular Tito's vodka, that's 80 proof, it's only going to be 40% by volume, and you might as well drink it because you're just going to waste it making hand sanitizer with it because it's not going to do anything. So now for this real quick recipe, let me open this first. I am going to be taking 1/3 cup of aloe vera gel. And I think I'll make this first batch for my husband with the green. So this is 1/3 of a cup. Is it? Yes. Oh, that was brilliant. So 1/3 of a cup of aloe vera. And then 2/3 of a cup of the grain alcohol. And then I'm going to take my glycerin. If you don't have glycerin, you do not have to put it in. Don't like freak out, oh my God, I have no glycerin. No, don't even worry about it. I'm just putting it in because this is so high. If you get the 151% grain alcohol, it's going to be less drying on your skin than this is. So I'm just going to add this because what this does is just softens up your skin a little bit more. But if you have glycerin, they actually sell glycerin in the pharmacies, but I don't know if they have it now. I wasn't looking for that because I actually had it. So I'm not too sure. All right, so 1 tablespoon of that. And then I'm going to do 1/2 of a teaspoon of essential oil. And which one should I do for my husband? I think I'll do him peppermint. I'm going to do for myself lemongrass. I love, 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 love lemongrass. So that might even be too much. I'm going to do 1/4 of a teaspoon. Just a little bit because you don't want it too strong. You don't even have to put in essential oil if you don't want. You could just leave it unscented. So now I'm just going to stir this up. Let me put this cap on before I end up knocking it over. And I have my bottles here. When I used to make my homemade hand lotion and shower gels and stuff like that, this was the bottles that I used. So this is just a squirt. And this is actually the only bottles that I have left because I stopped making it and I sold off a lot of my equipment and a lot of my, packing supplies and stuff. Yeah, so that looks good. Smells really nice too. So now what I'm going to do is put the funnel in here. I washed the funnel real good. Where's my ladle? And I'm just going to ladle this into my... I don't even know how much this batch is going to make, so I'm going to see. I might have to make 2 batches to fill up one of these, and these are 8 ounce. These are 8 ounce jars. Yeah, I'm probably going to have to make 2 batches. But I can't find hand sanitizer anywhere, hand sanitizing wipes anywhere. I really can't. I've been searching for 3 weeks, and nobody knows when they're getting it in. Nobody knows when they're going to have it. A little shy of 8 ounces, not too bad. So I think I'll just leave it like that. I'll make him another one. And then I'll wash my bowl out and I'm going to do either a lemongrass or a sweet orange for me. So now I'm just going to shake this really good and close it. And that's it. That's how simple it is, guys. It's just a matter of having the right grain alcohol, at least 151 proof or 191 proof. And either some gel, aloe vera gel, because aloe vera is very soothing. And that's going to take, the burn from the alcohol off of your skin. So now I'm going to try this. I was talking to my friend in Florida. Nice. Dries nice and fast. And because of this After Sun gel, what's the brand name? Day Logic from CVS. And I got them today. They just put them out today. I'm sorry, Rite Aid. They just put them out today. Buy one, get one free. And I believe they were $5.99 a piece. So $5.99. So for $11, $12, I got 4 of them, which is a great deal. Now the vodka no, it's not vodka. The alcohol, on the other hand, was $18.99. But you know what? Dire times call for dire, whatever. However you say that. So yeah, my hand's actually nice and soft. I think it was the added glycerin. Smells like peppermint. No alcohol smell at all. And there I have a nice 95% antibacterial, what do you call this? Spray. If I had a spray top, it would spray out. So, yeah. Hand sanitizer, that's what I meant. So, yeah. So, there you go with that. So, I'm going to make him another one real quick. And then that's it. And then I'll show you at the end. Mine, I'm not going to put the green one. I'm just going to use this one. So it's just uncolored. But I am going to add, I'll make 2 of mine with the sweet orange, pure essential oil. And then with the, where's the lemongrass? Oh, with the lemongrass. I love lemongrass. I actually make a poop spray with the lemongrass and with the orange. That's why I have such big bottles. And these bottles of essential oil are so expensive. It is ridiculous. So anyhow, so again, we are going to do 1/3 cup of the aloe vera gel. And I'm going to put a little tiny bit more so I can fill that up all the way. And then 2/3 of the vodka. Because, yeah, I'm really stressed over this virus. Like, super duper stressed. And it's like, even if I have to run out to the store, I got the gloves on, I got the mask on. And I'm literally flipping out that I have no hand sanitizer. I was bringing my, what do you call it? My bottle of, like, Lysol spray. Just to spray down the carts when you go in the store, like really doing everything. What did I just do here? I don't know. All right, and then just the peppermint. Where are you, peppermint? And like I said, 1/4 of a teaspoon. This is a 1/2 teaspoon, but I'm just putting in, which if you have one of those droplet ones, it's probably like 4 drops, if that. And then the glycerin, 1 tablespoon. And there you have it. Super simple. Just pick up yourself some aloe vera gel. Get yourself the 191 proof grain vodka. Like I said, you do not need the essential oil or the glycerin. And then this way you're good to go. What do I do with my thing here? There we go. Well, I just hope that everybody's being safe out there. Because like I said, I'm very stressed with this whole pandemic crap going on. I worry about all the elderly people. I worry about all the children. I just was watching the news last night, and there was a 3-week-old baby that was born, but was in the ICU. You know, I guess complications from, you know, from birth. And has the virus because of the nurses handling the child. So it's just so upsetting, you know. I need to get a spatula to get all of this out. See, now this one looks a lot thicker than the other one because I added a little bit more of that gel. So if you wanted a little thicker consistency, that's fine. And there you have it. So I hope if anybody else out there was panicking like I was and saying, oh my God, I have no hand sanitizer. What am I going to do? Because I was panicking. No joke. You could just make it. And you could basically make it with just these 2 products. the vodka. I keep saying vodka. It's because that's what I drink. It's grain alcohol. It's not even vodka. It's like, I asked the guy at the store, does it taste like vodka? He goes, oh no. He goes, this is straight grain alcohol. He goes, it's nothing like vodka. He goes, this, you do a shot, you're on your ass. Excuse my French. So yeah, no, I don't suggest drinking it. I don't even know why they sell it, but it's coming in very handy. And because I was running around shopping, buying all of the stuff, I actually went to the food store, got some chicken, got some other things I needed. I was kind of running out of money. And so when my husband gets home tonight, he said he only has 10 bottles left. I told him to put 2 to the side for me because I'm definitely making more. So yeah, I'm like obsessed with this now. But anyhow, yeah, so you just need 151 or 191 proof. And then you need some kind of aloe vera gel. Or this is after sun gel. And then what was this one called? Sunburn relief gel. Yeah, so any type of gel. And that's it. And actually, I was able to find one thing of Huggies wipes. But these aren't antibacterial. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, after I make mine with the lemongrass and the orange, I'm actually going to make one whole bottle and pour it in here and shake it up. And then let it sit for a while. And then my wipes will be antibacterial as well. So if you can only find regular wipes and you want to make them antibacterial, then just go ahead. You could just pour the straight booze on it. But I figure I would add the aloe vera and stuff so it makes them nice. So, yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, everybody, stay safe. Stay home if you can. You know, be with your loved ones. Make sure you check in with them if you're not able to go by them. And yeah, I appreciate everybody that watched this. I'll show you pictures at the end of how many I'm going to get with this one bottle, so that you have an idea. I'll put the recipe in the description box below. And yeah, everybody have a blessed day. And I'll talk to you all soon. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And, you know, subscribe if you're not subscribed. And again, everybody have a blessed day. I love you all.